I'm walking through this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for the very first time. It's over 1,500 square feet, and we're going to explore every corner together, so let's step inside and see what it's really like. Maybe for 2025 standards, it's not that luxurious, but for the price, I think it's well worth it. Comment below and tell me how much you think this apartment is a month.
Yep. I don't know what these do. I'll put some lights with what do you call it? With lights and occupancy sensors. Okay, let's go. Got it closed all the way?
Yeah, I locked it.
Locked it, good.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, that's good.
Nice little rail in there.
Yeah. We're going upstairs now.
Fully carpeted.
Yeah.
Nice. So far it looks so good. Okay, sprinkler system. Oh, it does have a sprinkler system. Okay.
Now we are upstairs.
Upstairs.
That's the laundry.
Laundry room. Very nice. This is like the little foyer area. Vestibule. This is our utility, or what do you call it? Furnace. Very nice. Lots of room in there for maintenance. So let's start in here. Oh. Start in here. We got our 2 guest bedrooms, or bedroom 1 and 2. Wow. What's that for? Towels?
Towels, linens.
Yeah. So, then what do we have? Do we have a light in here? Yep. Yep, we got a light in here. Yep, we got a light here. Okay. What do we got here? Another coat closet.
Yeah.
They vacuumed in here and shampooed the rug,
They did.
which is awesome.
You can tell how clean it is.
Wow, yeah.
And that's the first bathroom.
We'll look at the bathroom. We'll look at the bathroom after. Okay. So we come in here. Wow. We have bedroom number, I guess you could call this number 3. Oh my goodness. Babe? Yeah. Cable hookup, got lights there.
From you.
Look at that, look at that. Look at,
Outside.
look at these.
Oh, the geese. Yeah, look at them. Yeah. Ballas will enjoy that room. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you got this right here.
Big closet.
Yeah. Got a big closet right here.
Wow.
Okay, this is bedroom number 3, which what we think is the small bedroom. We come in here, this is bedroom number 2, which is the second biggest. What stuff? Figure that out. Now let's look. I gotta look at the bathroom here. Bathroom. Look at this thing. This thing is gigantic. Decent size. Gets the job done. Clean. Very nice. Running water. Nice little mirror. do you think? Wow. It's the closet that's gigantic. What's this? Water heater, okay.
Babe, over here you can have your desk.
Good, yeah. It's the master bathroom. It's decent size. We got a second closet. Holy cow. We got another closet? Wow. Is this the coffee spot you were talking about? Pantry. You know the pantry, right?
Yes, I've seen it.
That's the full tour of this amazing 3-bed, 2-bath apartment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.